Lubricate the rubber hangers to aid in removal. We do have our mid-pipe installed for this video. Use a pair of 14mm sockets and ratchets or a 14mm wrench. Remove the bolts. Remove the stock axle back muffler. An extra set of hands will make this a smoother process. Use a pry tool or an exhaust removal tool. Remove the stock rubber insulators. Install the new rubber insulators. Install the new axle backs. An extra set of hands will make this an easier process. Install the new gasket and install the bolts to hold it in place. Repeat with the other side. Use a pair of 14mm sockets and ratchets or a 14mm wrench. Tighten down the bolts to the axle back system on both sides and your installation is finished.